Damn, look at this shit. Look at beautiful ass reaper. Not gonna say what's up to my camera. she's shy, she's camera shy. Damn. Oh my. Bruh. What's in my ass with this shit? Honestly, don't even know what else to record.
Still have a whole like
For real? Yo, look at the plane. That's actually fire. Nah, I literally just turned to you. But nah, it looks amazing. Fuck. That's why I can't be moving. I'm too big. Fuck. Nah, that shit is beautiful as hell. Jet ski? Oh shit, I forgot about that. She's not trying to listen to their music at all. Captain Dave. Taking pictures on my phone. Yeah, you need the best phone for this sexy ass woman right here. Real shit. I think I'm already going that shit.
same. I need another one.
Nah, real shit. Nah, this shit is beautiful as hell. Find the sunlight. You found it yet? Oh shit. Cheers to the people that's here right now. That shit beautiful. Look at the fucking planes. stop working. Look at these bridges, yo. Yo, it's a train on that shit. Nah, that's fire as shit. Yo, this shit is fire, bro. Nah, this shit is hard. Oh shit. Word. The birthday girl. The birthday girl a little drunk right now. Damn, there's lights in this shit? I didn't even notice there was lights in here. Oh man, how you feeling? Nah, honestly, I do feel that shit too. These bridges are beautiful as fuck, bro. They put lights on that shit. I never noticed that shit. You finish your other cup?
No.
You wanna split it with me?
No.
Damn. Nah, you didn't have to.
Here.
Damn, you already fucked that joint up. Oh, you don't even trust me? You going to that club after?
What?
You going to that club after?
That's a club?
I don't even know.
Oh, let's go.
It looked like a club. That shit better be a club. I can't tell what the fuck that is.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, how you doing? Look at that fucking move. You see the move? This moment for life.
Okay, now we can start to hit.
I can have this moment. I can have this moment.
My motherfucking birthday.
It's my motherfucking birthday. Throw me in this shit one more time, bro. I'm dunking you in this shit,
I
yo.
didn't throw you. Cut it out. Okay.
What's up? We taking some pictures? Oh my god.
Don't get my phone wet.
Nigga, after I take this picture, we're taking a picture. You heard what I said? How am I supposed to do that? Oh my god, bro. Nah, this shit is beautiful as fuck. Nigga. See, I can't do that shit, bro. What the fuck? How the fuck do you do that?
Because you
Bro, y'all see this shit? Yo, look at that. Look, bro.
High tech tech jet.
Nigga.
High tech tech.
High tech tech.
High tech tech.
Nah, you photogenic for real. I never did that before.
Thank you, God. Alright, go. Use your phone.
I like them. I definitely snap. Look at them putting the fries on us. the fuck is that? Say that again?
You guys want a picture? I can take one. I'll go with
I'll
you.
take another picture.
Then I have it out. Like, do you use your phone? I don't know.
Yeah, have you lost my job? Look at this shit. God damn, I didn't even see the buildings behind me.
Did you really read the message that I sent before? Thought I made that shit up perfect, put it on the floor. Put it on my son, put it on the floor. But asking, I swear my girl is nothing more. Why did you cut this thing off like you were something more? I just asked around, I just asked around.
It's gonna make you proud. I said, baby, just make me come and don't make a sound. Thank ya. That's what life's about, bitch.
Everybody, if I could have your attention for a moment here. So we are heading back to the marina, as you can see. So a couple things. So while we're docking the boat, I know, while we're docking the boat, y'all can stay put in the hot tubs. If you're out of the tub, just stick to that side, because we'll be tying a line over here. So keep this side totally clear when we're tying out the boat. If you have any trash, just leave it. We'll clean out the coolers for you. And any drinks that still have liquid in them, we'll put on our dock box, so you can grab them quickly on your way out. We have bags if you need them. What else? If you have rental towels, they're hanging up, and once you're done with them, you can hand them to one of us, or leave them on the boat. If you took photos and want to tag us, we always love that at Cedar City Hot Tub. If anyone here drove and parked in the marina parking lot, be sure to scan the QR codes that are in the on the signs in the parking lot to be able to pay for that parking. We also appreciate reviews. My name is
Oh,
Nicole.
shit.
We've got
I was just gonna keep it going for that.
we also do word for tips. If you guys had a fun time with us tonight, feel like you did a good job, want to leave something, cash card, Venmo, any of those methods work for us. But thank you so much for coming out.
Thank you for having us. Thank you so much.
Real shit, thank you.
You guys did great.
10 out of 10.
50 out of 10.
Oh yeah, she said happy birthday.
Oh, thank you. Oh, I need to towel. My hair is so wet. I know it. I feel it.
Damn, I do want to go underwater, but I don't even want to get my face wet. This don't even look like where we was at the beginning. Damn, she cut off our water, no speakers, no nothing. We're getting the fire right from home.
Tell me that's not fire.
That's fire. That's fire, that's fire. You snapping, you snapping.
I should be a photographer, not for myself.
Not for myself. definitely worth it, yo. Holy shit, I feel so relaxed. It's crazy. Like, I actually feel mad relaxed. I feel like I'd even drive over here.
This is so good.
You gotta savor all the. I mean, we got a jacuzzi at the B&B too.
Thank you, God.
But honestly, you gotta savor this right now so we can get in the other jacuzzi.
For sure.
Shit, are you even gonna get in that one?
Yeah.
As soon as I get home, I'm jumping in that shit too. For real. I gotta test that shit out. Look at
Look at these fucking pictures, bro. You bitches don't look like that. You bitches don't look like that.
Bitches
No
don't look like
Photoshop, bitch. No editing. I mean, we gotta do that later on.
natural.
But that's raw.
Wait, she said hit it raw?
We don't even know this.
We gonna move on from that statement. Look at those colorful lights for Pride. They still celebrating Pride. Look at the crescent on the moon. Is that somebody's yacht? The Horizon? Nah, I look at one of my own yacht. That should be fucking crazy on my own boat. Damn, look at this joint, yo. This joint looks sexy as fuck. Going back to the dock. Wet as hell. Slippery. Slipping in steam and snow.
Yeah.
You never seen that shit? No, I gotta show you that. I'm gonna show you that. Yo, whose parents is waiting for them? It look like somebody's dad is waiting for them.
That's my daddy.
Your daddy right here. Don't worry, your daddy right here.
Yeah, look at him.
Your dad's really bald?
No, my dad is small, but that nigga is bald.
Nah, her daddy right here.
That's my daddy. Yo, is that my daddy? Is that my daddy?
Nigga, he dark as hell,
Is that
bro.
my
What?
mama or is that my daddy?
Nigga look like a locked character.
The camera's pointed towards you.
I mean, I think it's split.
No, it's not.
Oh, for real? Oh, wow. I'm crying. Not be roasting my fucking phone. Hey, man. That's the daddy she chose. But that's not her daddy. I don't know who that nigga is over there. The boat is docking. Look at this nice little spin before my battery dies. Happy birthday to the queen over here. You feel me?
Thank you.
It was her idea to do all this. Thank you for the wonderful idea. Damn, she's so fine. Oh man. Oh man.